Wait, got one more. Wait. This one a little heavier. This one a little heavy. I wasn't gonna try to pick that one up. Okay, it is hot. I turned the air on, I'm hot. Good morning, good evening, whatever it is. Welcome back to another video on the channel. So you remember how I told you guys I was gonna be doing a apartments creative playlist, designing, decorating, different things you can do, stuff like that, outlet. So for this video, this is going to be showing you, man, it's hot in here. This video, I'm gonna be showing you guys an office desk that I picked up. I did a lot of searching on different desks, different price ranges, and things like that. The desk that I have that I'm gonna be showing you guys, this desk is the Bekant. It's from Ikea. Ikea sells it. It's the Bekant something. Like they have a standing desk version and they have a regular version. This is the regular version. You have the hardware, the legs and stuff right there. And then this is the actual desk countertop. I will leave the link to everything below. I'll leave the part numbers and the little whatever, everything in the description of this video. I did get the standard version. I didn't get the standing desk version because it didn't really feel necessary. I did want it, but you know, that was the extra, what, $200-300 that I really didn't want to spend. So yeah, let's show you guys this desk. So I forgot my toolbox. Yes, you're gonna need some tools. I don't really know what yet, but I will let you all know as I get going. Where's my knife? Hold up. I have misplaced. It was right in my face. So first thing I'm gonna get, box cutter, knife, blade, razor, whatever you wanna call it. So we're gonna start off with the big box with the stands, the legs, and everything like that. Just start off with that box first because that makes sense. Never cut towards you. I know I'm doing it, but you know, don't do it. It's not safe. Okay, so now that we got this open, I'm gonna pretty much, I always put this up so you don't cut yourself. The instructions, they look pretty basic. Oh, this is what you need. Hammer, I think that's a level, and a screwdriver. I don't know if I have a level, so that's gonna be kind of fun. Oh, okay, they give you hex screws, hex keys. And you know men don't use directions or instructions. We're gonna figure it out, so let's go. I wanna do it right, so you know, I'm just going to get the instructions. Okay, so the first thing we gotta do is put the legs together. So we're gonna get one of these. Okay, so you're gonna kind of lay it flat on the ground like this. Then you're gonna get this big one. Those two holes right there. You're gonna meet those two holes up with these two holes in here. You're gonna use these two screws and the big hex key to put it together. So I'm gonna just slide it off in there so I can find it. When you're turning it, it should go in easy. If it doesn't, you're probably stripping it. So you want to pull it out and just do it again. Okay, so we got both of the legs screwed in. So next thing we're gonna do is gonna get the table and we're gonna put these legs in the table. So let's get the table. Okay, I lied, not the table, but we're getting this black thing, this that goes on the table, supports the table. Then we get the table. We're getting this black thing right here, getting that screw, and we're gonna just, well, honestly, I'm gonna just try to turn it over, and we're gonna get that in there. So this leg is gonna snap in there, and then you can tighten it up all the way. All right, that's one leg. Now let's do the other one. So So right now you can go and put a level on it, make sure it's level. I'm not gonna do that for right now, cause I'm just not gonna do it right now. I don't feel like it, to be honest, but yeah. Okay, so next we're gonna put this table down like so. We're supposed to get a hammer. Oh no, hammer's in the room. Hammer's in here. So you're gonna get a hammer and you're gonna get these. Hope y'all can see them. So you're gonna have 2 holes right here. You got another 2 in the middle right there. And then you got 2 on the end. And you're just gonna put these things, there we go, in here like that. Make sure the hole is good. I should probably try to find a hole first. Like that, that was easy. All right, so next we did number 4 and number 5. We gotta get, you're gonna get these L brackets or whatever you wanna call them. So it comes to handy to kind of have this screwdriver's got a magnetic head on it. So, you know, can't really drop the screw. Magnetic heads are your best friend. Okay, so you're gonna put your screw on your screwdriver like so. Get your L bracket. Just put it in here like that. It's not a guaranteed hole for these. So you're pretty much just gonna put them even. See how I got it? I'm gonna put it even like that. And then just screw in the hole. So this is what it looked like. You just putting the brackets on there just to double check, like a secondary double check or whatever. We're gonna get these right here. Gonna get 6 of them. And we're gonna put them in these little holes right there. So you're gonna need these little things. You're gonna need a hammer. That's not a hammer. That's a hammer. Okay, this is pretty much easy. You're gonna get one of these. You're gonna put it inside it. Put it inside this little thing. Put it in the hole. And just like that, that's something. Yeah, you're gonna stand the desk up. Well, you guys, this is pretty much everything. If you like this video, smash that like button. If you have any questions about the desk, put it in the comments. I will get to it. Let me just sort of measure the desk for you. It's about 31.5, 32 inches wide. And it's about 62 or 63 inches long. What's that? 27, 28 inches tall, as I have it set right now, which is how it came out the box. If you guys have any additional questions, put them in the comments. Smash this like button. More videos coming on apartments, things you can do. So, till next video, peace. Okay.